Explorers using a highly advanced drone-like submarine may have cracked the mystery of the disappearance of Amelia Earhart and her plane. In 1937, Amelia Earhart and her navigator left Miami in a Lockheed plane on a journey that would make Earhart the first woman to fly around the world. With just 7,000 miles of the trip remaining, the flight lost radio contact over the Pacific Ocean 2,000 miles southwest from Hawaii. Earhart, along with her navigator, Fred Noonan, and their plane, a Lockheed Electra 10E, were never found. Tony Romeo, a pilot and former U.S. Air Force intelligence officer, turned explorer, searched under the sea for Earhart's plane using a submersible drone-like vessel to collect sonar images of an aircraft matching Earhart's aircraft's size and shape on the ocean floor at a depth of 16,500 feet. Romeo's company, Deep Sea Vision, said on social media that they scanned more than 5,200 square miles of sea floor as part of the expedition. Deep Sea Vision provides wreck hunting, deep-sea mineral mapping, and deep-sea cable and pipe route surveys, in addition to other seafloor mapping capabilities. The key technology is the Huggins Autonomous Underwater Vehicle, or AUV. It's too soon to tell whether the debris captured on sonar by Romeo and his team are, however, Earhart's ill-fated plane. The object is about the same size, appears to have two wings, a fuselage, and a tail similar to the distinctive tail of Earhart's Lockheed, but confirmation waits on returning to the site with a new camera installed on the Huggins AUV.
We hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to learn more about 107 School, that you'll visit us at 107school.com. Our interactive course will make learning easy, and we break everything down into short lessons. Our average course video is just 3 minutes in length, and we have a lot of innovations coming to make the learning experience enjoyable. At 107 School, we'll teach you how to fly legal. Check out the free trial to learn more.